you making?
Tinga. No, I can't show that.
What's the Tinga?
Okay, anyway, it's chicken. What am I doing now?
What do you put in Tinga? What is that?
That's Chipotle.
Alright.
It's got a lot of stuff to it. It ain't gonna be done like that, Lex. You might as well calm down. So I done cooked my chicken and I take it out so it can cool off. Cause then we're gonna pull the chicken apart.
You mean like shredded chicken?
Yes. Do not throw your broth away because you're gonna need that. So to make.
Is this a cooking vlog or what is this?
Okay, I just had to get into the Mexican rhythm now. Alright, so next.
She's not even Mexican. Nothing? Alright, so yeah, we're still standing here looking at a fake chicken.
Boiled chicken after you.
Boiled chicken. Now we gotta shred it. Ew. Who wants to shred chicken? Nobody. It's okay. Is that the lettuce?
What is that?
I don't know. Salad?
That's greens. That's not lettuce, Lexi.
Why is there greens in a bag? Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Love you. Right here. Okay, right here I got just a little bit of grease, and I'm gonna turn it on kind of medium, and then okay, where's my
What's that?
garlic for all my American speaking peoples.
What are you talking
It's
about?
garlic, but in Spanish, ajo. I'm gonna teach you Spanish too. Okay, ajo.
Ajo.
Ajo. Okay, so I'll put the tomatoes. I got different kind of tomatoes because that's all I have. And we're gonna. Oh, also I got some.
Whoa.
Gonna put a little bit of onion in there. Well, I'm gonna put it last. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go ahead and put these peppers. This is chile de árbol. I don't know what it is in English. It's just chile de árbol. You don't have to put these in. This is optional, but we like spicy in this house, so we're gonna add those.
Knife? Knife?
Fork. No, fork.
Fork. This is how you cook a tomato. If you ever wanted to know how to cook a tomato. Oh God, it's burnt. I burnt the tomato. Woo. The peppers kind of are like really strong. Woo. That's a burnt tomato right there.
I'm going to put these in the blender. Also, you have to have a can of Chipotle. Wait, I'm going to use a whole can. You can just take out like 2 or 3 Chipotles, or you can use a whole can. You can use 2 cans. You can use 3 cans. However much you want to use, however spicy you like it, because it's pretty spicy. Some people just get like 2 or 3 Chipotles out and throw in the blender. I'm going to use the whole can.
Yep.
So now, you gotta taste it. Lexi?
Mm. Yeah. Oh. You must be insane!
I got my pan here. I got it on medium heat. Gonna put some oil in it. So what we're gonna do is mix the chicken and the salsa together. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in here, just to cover the. Oh. And I'm just using some olive oil because I'm not gonna fry anything. You don't want to heat it up too much. Just kind of medium heat. And see, I don't even have too much in there. Just a little bit to cover the bottom. Okay, and then you're going to add your salsa on top of that.
Yummy!
And we're just going to mix it up. Mix that up. So, just going to let that cook through. Hold on a second, let me see if this. and put a lid on it like that so it can kind of cook. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut up my vegetables and things that's going to be going on top of this. So I just have my lettuce here.
Me cansé de rogarle, me cansé de decirle que yo sin ella de pena muero. Ya no quiso escucharme. Si sus labios se abrieron.
So now you're going to throw your chicken on top of that, however much you want.
A lot. Really good.
I already fixed my husband a plate for him to take to work tomorrow because he'll take it to work with him. Me and Lexi are going to try ours. So next I'm going to put my queso fresco.
Cheese.
And my lettuce. Okay. And then, so I'm going to put one piece of avocado because I like avocado on mine. And then we're going to get one more little.
Alright.
So then we're going to get another little
Little
drop on the top.
sour cream.
Drop on the top.
Yes.
Drop on the top.
On the side.
Or whatever you want to put.
Wherever you want to put it. Now let's eat it.
Now we're going to try our tinga. Oh God, it's so good. Don't have anything on my mouth. Let me know if you decide to make it. And so yeah, I hope you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. And if you do, Chico wants some so bad. If you do happen to make this, tag us in the video and let us know how it turned out. And we'll see you next time. Bye.